Let's get in the kitchen and make some cheeseburger sliders. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making cheeseburger sliders. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, white onion, jalapeno pepper, red onion, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic salt, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. You'll also need some American cheese and King's Hawaiian savory butter rolls. The first thing you're gonna do is chop your onions and the jalapeno pepper. Over medium to high heat, you're gonna add some oil to a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, you're gonna add in some minced garlic and the onions and the jalapeno pepper. Stir everything all together to combine and allow it to saute for 2 minutes. Next, we're getting started on cooking the beef. Right now, I'm just breaking it up. I'm using a spoon, but for this part, definitely use a spatula because it makes it 100 times easier. Now it's time to season the beef with all the seasonings that I showed you earlier. Once the seasonings is added in, we're just going to combine everything all together. So after allowing it to cook through for about 5 minutes, this is what the beef is looking like. I'm just going to allow it to just cook thoroughly for another 2 minutes. Once it's all cooked through, this is how the beef looks. Now it's time to assemble the sliders, starting out with the butter rolls. You're going to cut the buns in half, layer it with American cheese, spread the ground beef evenly over the cheese. I made some homemade burger sauce. All the ingredients is going to be down below in the description box, but this step is completely optional. I'm just adding some of the burger sauce to the beef, but like I said, completely optional. This is how it looks once the sauce is added. I personally love this sauce, so this is why I added it to the burgers. You could just use it at the end as a dipping sauce. Okay, so I know this looks a little bit ghetto, so bear with me. I noticed while I'm making this recipe that I didn't have shredded cheese, so I added regular American cheese on top. Usually for this step you would add shredded cheese, but like I said, I realized I didn't have any, so I just had to make it work how it worked. Last but not least, I'm just brushing the top of the buns with some melted butter and garlic. For a nice touch and a nice fancy finish, you can go ahead and add some sesame seeds over the top before you add it to the oven. I didn't have any sesame seeds, so I opted to not do that. After baking for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, this is how the cheeseburger sliders look, all finished, nice and cheesy. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.